In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn account on mobile. To get started, you'll first need access to LinkedIn on your phone. You can do that by downloading the LinkedIn Staken app from the Google Play Store if you're using Android or the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you prefer not to install the app, you can also open your mobile web browser and go directly to the LinkedIn sign-up page. Either option works, so just choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're on LinkedIn, look for the option that says Join Now and tap on it to begin creating your account. At this stage, LinkedIn will ask how you'd like to sign up. You can enter your email address and create a password manually, which is a good option if you want to keep things separate and easy to manage. You may also see options like Continue with Google or Continue with Apple, which can make the sign-up process faster by using an existing account on your phone. After that, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. LinkedIn may ask you to complete a quick security check to confirm that you're a real person. This is normal and helps protect the platform from fake accounts. You may also be asked to verify your email address or phone number by entering a confirmation code. If that happens, check your inbox or messages, then type the code exactly as shown so you can continue. Once your account is verified, LinkedIn will prompt you to add some personal details. Fill in your first and last name, your location, and your current job title. If you're a student, you can enter your school instead. This information helps LinkedIn set up your profile and make your account more relevant from the beginning. Try to enter accurate details, since this is how other professionals, classmates, or recruiters may recognize you. Next, you'll have the chance to start setting up your profile. You can upload a profile photo if you're ready, and LinkedIn may also ask whether you want to connect with people from your contacts. Both of these options can help you build your network more quickly, but they're not required right away. If you'd rather finish those parts later, just tap skip for now. And that's it. Your LinkedIn account is now created on mobile, and you're ready to start building your professional presence.